In times of investment uncertainty, investors may not have confidence in traditional investments like stocks and bonds. Under these circumstances, they may fall for exotic investments touted by con artists to have low risks and high returns. Examples of these would be natural resource investment, such as oil and gas, solar, or wind energy, gold and silver. Commodities futures like precious metals and currency trading. Fluctuating oil and natural gas prices have made a variety of traditional and alternative energy projects attractive to investors. Most of these investments are highly risky and not appropriate for smaller investors. Investors in these down economic times are also targets of scams that involve discoveries in foreign lands of large deposits of precious metals, most often gold, either in tailings from old mines or new, previously undiscovered mines. Con artists often tout unrealistic recovery methods that will give gullible investors gold fever. Assay samples supposedly taken from the mine will usually be salted with real gold dust to falsely show the existence of a real gold deposit in the mine or in the tailings. Foreign exchange, or Forex trading, can be legitimate for governments and businesses concerned about fluctuations in international currencies. It is not appropriate for individual investors looking for safety of principal. Forex scams attract customers with sophisticated sounding offers placed in newspaper advertisements, radio promotions, or on internet sites. Until the recent decline in property values, investments in real estate have long been viewed as a sure thing, one with little downside risk and potential for substantial returns. Bad economic conditions can prove this old investment maxim to be wrong. Some real estate investments are securities, subject to full regulation under state and federal securities laws, including registration requirements and anti-fraud rules. The investor must check out even real estate investments very carefully.
Now, you may be thinking, I can never be conned like this. You need to understand all the perpetrators mentioned earlier were able to take money from lawyers, doctors, and even other stockbrokers. Bernard Madoff, for example, stole billions by convincing the nation's elite to invest in his alleged hedge funds. Celebrities, politicians, and folks who were highly regarded in the financial world suffered embarrassment and hardships by losing money in an investment that simply never existed. Nobody is immune.